Hello, welcome to Hills Gardens again. My name's Scott Wilson, and I thought I'd just jump on here and show you all how to plant a rhodo properly, or how I'd do it anyway. So our first thing is picking our site. So rhodos love good free draining soil, which we've got here in Bolton. It's called QT loam, so this is some of the best in the country. That's why we can grow rhodos so well here. So all our plants are grown in the open ground, and then they're bagged up in bags like this to sell. When you get them, they'll just be bare rooted, nice square root ball. You can just put them straight in the ground, so you don't have to tease the roots out or anything, which I won't do here. So yeah, when you dig your hole, it's got to be nice and big. For these, this is about 250 by 250 root ball, so you want to dig at least 1 metre wide, because they're surface rooting. They haven't got a tap root as such, so the best thing to do is just dig a nice big hole and then loosen up right down, probably 1/2 metre again, or 300-400 mils down, because then they'll get their roots out and down where they can, where the moisture is, so you don't have to water them so much in the summer. So what I've done beforehand is prepped it, so just loosen it all up. And then the best thing to use for fertiliser is just acid fertiliser. So this is just Nitro Oscar Blue, just they've changed colour of it. So what I do is just a handful of fertiliser on the bottom of the hole, and then just mix that in like that. And then if your soil is hungry, so clay or just not quite right, you can use some compost, or what I'm using here, or compost or cheap bags of potting mix, but this is just granulated bark, so this is good stuff as well. So what you do then is just mix that in as well, nicely like that. And then biggest thing is getting the level right. So I'll just cut this one out. So there's the root ball of our rhodos when they come from Cross Hills, a nice square root ball. So the biggest thing is getting the level right, so the same as what they've been growing in the nursery. So the top of that to the top of the soil at your place. So you may just have to raise it up a little bit. And if it is a little bit wet, raise it up from the surrounding ground, and then it won't be sitting in water during the winter, which they don't like, and that'll tend them to get them going yellow over that first couple of years. So just like that, and then just backfill. And generally what we do is backfill halfway, and then another handful of fertiliser. So just mix that around again, mix it in the soil a little bit, maybe a little bit more. And then that'll get the roots going out to where the fertiliser is, down and outwards. And then all we have to do is just backfill it. And the biggest thing with rhodos, because they've got very fine fibrous roots, is not to push it in too hard. So literally just with your hands, just to get rid of any air pockets. And then just tidy it up. And normally I'd make that a lot tidier, but that's as far as we're going to go today. Just like that. So that's probably the biggest thing, getting the same level as what they've been growing in the past in the nursery. So yeah, and then water well, especially over the first couple of summers. That's when they need the most water. So the best thing to do is just water straight away when you plant it, and then in the summertime, at least once a week, a good soaking, rather than lots of little bits of water, like half an hour a night. It's better to be a good soak at least once a week. So if you want any other hints and tips, just go to our website on crosshills.co.nz, or you can give us a ring on our phone number on there as well. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. All good.